Today we're getting on a boat and going to the island of Capri, way out there.
That blue grotto, really cool. I did not think it was going to be that cool. I really liked it. Naples!
That was quite the drive.
The day started with an adventurous drive from our hotel to the port of Naples.
Also not a lane.
He got us out of there. He got us. Can you imagine your poor mother here, Nicole?
Oh, she would have passed out like 2 minutes ago.
Oh, the craziest part about getting on a boat is finding which boat to get on. They let us in the marina. We didn't know the name of the boat. We figured it out, got dropped off, and now we're on our way to the boat. I don't know, baby. I don't know. We finally found our boat, and now we're on our way to Capri. We were greeted by our captain, translator, and some Italian hospitality. It took about an hour to get from the Bay of Naples to Capri, but we're pulling up shortly and we're going to stop for a swim and then some lunch. Somebody from the restaurant comes out and gives you the rope so you can anchor down and park your boat, hang out and go for a swim, and then head out to lunch right there. We made it to lunch. We just got off our little transfer boat from our big boat out there somewhere. And they have a really cute beach area. People can rent chairs on, hang out. The water is so incredibly clear here. It's just beautiful. And the restaurant's right here on the edge of the water, so you get a beautiful view of the Mediterranean Sea. This restaurant was so amazing. I cannot recommend it enough. We had to have caprese salad on the island of Capri, and we tried everything else, the gnocchi, the spaghetti with clams, and this was my favorite dish in all of Italy this time, and it was the lobster pasta. Amazing. Don't forget to end your meal with cafe and limoncello.
Salute!
This is the bottom of the restaurant that connects directly to the beach, so you can have a table alongside the water or even rent a chair on the sand. It's super common to do this in Italy, and you can hang out all day and have service right on the beach. Our next stop was to head over to the town of Capri. Once you get off your little hopper boat from wherever you're having lunch or your boat, you can get to Marina Grande and then find the little archway that says Funiculare to take the funicular up and get your ticket to the main part of the town. We got our tickets for the Funiculare, and it's our birthday. This is the beautiful view that welcomes you once you get off the funicular in Capri Town. as you can see, it was really packed. There was no shortage of tourists in August, but it was so great to walk around, and anywhere you look, you're gonna find a beautiful view and of course, the lemons of the Amalfi Coast.
How many limoncello spritz? 2. Sounds good.
Ciao. Grazie. I got a hat. We are leaving the island of Capri to go around with our boat for a nice swim. I think we're coming up upon the Blue Grotto. It is right there. That's the hole for the Blue Grotto. So normally the only way to get into the Blue Grotto is to pay somebody with a little boat to take you through that hole, and you have to stay in your boat the whole time. You can come on foot and go all the way down these stairs, and there'll be boats lined up to take you in, but we gotta swim in it this day.
Nicole, you want to go in the Blue Grotto?
I think we should. Let's do it. When the tide is lower, this is the hole that the boats will go through, and they pull themselves through this chain attached to the wall. But like I said, the tide was high and it was our lucky day, so we got to swim in it.
Okay, that was amazing. That was so great. I loved it. That Blue Grotto, really cool. I did not think it was going to be that cool. I really liked it.
Got back on our boats, had some refreshments, and toured the rest of the island. This is the Love Grotto with the beautiful heart. Oh, that's cute. Capri is obviously a beautiful place, and you have to take a boat to go around the island. You get to see all these cute little grottos, and especially for the swimming spots and of course the main event. Alright, this is the faraglioni de Capri. To Capri! Another grotto that we saw was the White Grotto that has a natural rock that looks like the Virgin Mary is inside. We ended the first day of our boat trip by watching the sun go down over the horizon. This was an amazing day, and we got to see a new town at the end of it. We stayed the night in Castellammare. We were able to stay right on the boat in their harbor, which was super fun. This is our home for the evening, Castellammare. Little hoppers. Walking around here, you definitely felt the local vibe. We didn't see any tourists, which was kind of cool, and we had a great meal, so it was the ending to a perfect day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna finish our tour of the Amalfi Coast by boat. We're gonna go to the town of Amalfi and enjoy all things lemon. See you then. Click here to subscribe to my channel and watch more great travel videos.